Shout out to the guy at O'Reilly for telling us to use these exhaust hangers.
Technically, I did. I said we should get it, just in case, so we don't have to go back. But he did give us a good discount, though. Always be prepared with tools.
If you can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona, you don't belong near a car.
Always get it even if you don't need it. Saves you a trip to the auto store. Yeah, guy.
Well, we tried to remove it without it and see if we could return it to save $30. But I'm glad to spend $30 to do that.
Instead of spending all day.
Yeah. Oh man. All right. The exhaust is out.
Now let's drive it like this.
Jesus Christ. So we're gonna end up installing this Tsudo Catback Exhaust.
He didn't put the socket all the way on the elbow, so you just want to test it. It shot up in the air.
Holy shit! Lucky it didn't like hit the windshield and break it.
Right. Or my face.
Or his face.
Because I did it in front of me.
Are you guys' glasses? Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know if you see that dent right there.
There's so many already.
Oh no, you
In
can
the
tell.
ceiling? Oh, I can see it. God damn, Marvin.
Safety first.
Get the tool.
Get the tool
know
you
how
need.
to use it.
Secure.
I thought I had all of them.
And then try to do custom stuff.
Here's the stock exhaust. That shit's pretty heavy. And that one. How's that one feel? Pretty light?
Pretty light. Literally, I could do it with one pinky. More lighter, more fast.
Bigger diameter too. This one's an angled tip, so it's actually going to be angling up. I know everyone's really hating the design on these. What do you call these? Fart cans?
Is what the kids are calling it nowadays.
The canister look. But I kind of dig it. It's my car. It's not.
Respect the build.
And the tools.
And the tools.
So which one should we do first?
Yeah, here's one.
Fire just comes out.
You want to get on this side, Sarah?
Yeah. Let me get out of the echo.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be loud inside.
Jed, watch out. It's strong. Are you gonna burn a lot of gas?
That's exhaust.